You almost kill yourself, Michael.
This is very embarrassing. Right down after the lab. Embarrassing. I was hoping this video would never get online because it's really embarrassing. But this is our Hanukkah miracle about how we almost burned down the lab
You almost burned down the lab.
and how we almost lost our jobs.
You almost lost your job.
Just press the button. So yesterday somebody from the company came in and asked if we can make a cool lamp for Hanukkah, which is a Jewish holiday. So we figured, let's do something kind of fun with fire. We put together this NEMA 23 stepper motor, and we're gonna put some rubbing alcohol into that cup and let this spin and hopefully create like a tornado fire effect. Is it lit? Yeah. It is lit. You just can barely see it.
Yeah.
All right, now I'll get the Arduino. Oh, it's
Okay.
really hot.
Yeah, no.
I think we need a taller, maybe outer cap thing or a lower internal cup thing. We can't really see because there's no black background. All right, I'll give it another try. Okay, so we have this nice looking flame connected step motor, and when it spun, we got a nice little tornado flame. Looks pretty cool. Topkin is holding the driver because for some reason it only works when you touch it in a certain way. And we're not gonna really figure it out now because I just wanna get a proof of concept. Here we go. Cool looking tornado flame. So we'll get a few DC motors and hardware that actually fits this project, and some fire colorant. We'll see if we can also add that into the project, which will be pretty cool. Oh my God! Well, that was embarrassing. I almost burnt down the whole lab now. Just after that last shot that we filmed on camera, I tried another experiment where I wanted to light up a shot of rubbing alcohol without the fence around it. And what happened was that there was only a little bit of rubbing alcohol in there, and I tried to light it, and I couldn't see a flame. It seemed like it didn't light. So I figured I'll take the jug and I'll fill in a little bit more rubbing alcohol. And as they poured it in, apparently there was a flame there that I just couldn't see, and the fire just went up and into the jug, and it shot out flames of burning alcohol onto the curtain, which was crazy, and everything was hot and fire everywhere, and instantly the fire sprinklers kicked in and turned out the fire, but then we had water like this high in the whole lab, and all the equipment and all the materials got wet. Fortunately, almost nothing was affected except for one plush rat that we have for the dancing Japanese rat show. So he's our only casualty. He was pretty badly burnt, and now we're gonna recover him somehow. So lesson learned: be careful with fire. So fortunately, we're still here and we didn't lose our jobs. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and have a happy holiday, and share with us stories about when you almost burned down your lab or your workplace. It'll make us feel a little better.